This is a lever hoist produced by Seagull, hence CE quality certification. Commonly used in industry, mining, etc. Hence a variety of specifications. This product has a plastic non-slip grip, all-alloy metal body. The fuselage structure is compact, not easily deformed. Novel and beautiful design. Now let's do a simple operation. Select the desired gear. Shake the handle to operate. Transmission through gears. Will pull the chain. Fulfill job needs. This lever hoist has a special function. Open the buckle on one side. Pull out the hand crank. You can freely adjust the chain length without shaking the lever to adjust. Adjustment completed. Return to position.